Welcome to our channel. Today we will be sharing some quick and easy tomato recipes I hope you will enjoy. Caprese salad. Slice tomatoes and fresh mozzarella cheese, then layer them on a plate with fresh basil leaves. Drizzle with balsamic vinegar and olive oil, then sprinkle with salt and pepper. Tomato and avocado toast. Toast whole grain bread, then top with sliced avocado and sliced tomatoes. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and finish with a squeeze of lemon juice. Tomato and white bean salad. Combine diced tomatoes, white beans, chopped red onion, and fresh parsley in a bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and red wine vinegar, then season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of Italian seasoning. Tomato and lentil soup. In a large pot, sauté diced onions, carrots, and celery until softened. Add diced tomatoes, cooked lentils, vegetable broth, and season with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Simmer until heated through. Stuffed tomatoes. Cut the tops off of large tomatoes and scoop out the seeds. Fill the tomatoes with a mixture of cooked quinoa, sautéed vegetables, such as bell peppers and zucchini, and feta cheese. Bake in the oven until the tomatoes are tender. Download the free PDF file for easy reference. Thank you for watching.